Please like and subscribe and press bell icon to stay in touch with technical reviews of new mobile devices and other electronic gadgets.
The Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum is designed for users who want strong suction performance, combined with the freedom of cordless cleaning. With its motorbar cleaner head, the vacuum intelligently adapts to various surfaces, making it suitable for both carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight build, easy handling, and modern design add to the overall convenience. Performance. The suction power is impressive for a cordless vacuum, picking up fine dust, hair, and larger debris efficiently. The motorbar head helps prevent tangles, making it ideal for homes with pets. The vacuum transitions smoothly between floor types without requiring manual adjustments. Battery and usability. The battery life supports medium to large cleaning sessions, and the quick-release attachments make switching tools simple. The wall-mounted dock is handy for storage and charging. It's also quiet compared to many competitors, making it pleasant to use. Design, Iron Aries Brodau. Dyson maintains its premium feel with durable materials, a sleek look, and thoughtfully designed controls. The vacuum is lightweight, making it comfortable to carry and maneuver around furniture or upstairs. Pros: strong suction power. For a cordless vacuum, motorbar head reduces tangles and adjusts to floor types. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Good battery life for everyday cleaning. Premium build quality. Quiet operation compared to similar models. Easy to use attachments and wall dock cons. Higher price compared to many competitors. Dustbin is on the smaller side and needs frequent emptying. Battery life may feel limited on maximum suction mode. Replacement, filters, and accessories can be costly.